Sorry you're having to look at my old bearded face, but I wanted to let you know I got kind of a semi-important revision to the track here at Union Station. And by revision, I mean I got to replace 4 turnouts. I've had a lot of these Peco turnouts probably for 35 years plus. And some of the old ones are the kind that have the track connectors between the closure rails and the frog, and they're not making really good contact. So I've got 4 new ones that have the pivot points that have better contact. So let me show you where I'm talking about. The 4 turnouts that are been a problem are this one, this one, this one, and this is actually a straight one, but it can be replaced by a curved one because it's just not fitting right here or something. This is a newer one, but I'm still having a bit of problem, so I might hold that one in abeyance, not to do that one. At least these 3 for sure, and we'll see what happens after I get those done.